about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
How are you? So we're gonna make some stamps. I did a little trial one, love, super cute. Now the question is, what kind of wood works best for stamps? I'm not really sure. So I have a couple pieces of different types of wood. Obviously the premium Baltic birch, which I think is gonna probably be the best one. But I also have some balsa wood, which is super thin. It's almost foamy. So I'm gonna cut a strip off of this and see how the ink holds to that. And then I have some basswood strips. So we're gonna see how the basswood does. And then I have popular wood, and we're gonna try this out. This one's a little bit thicker though, so I don't know. We're just gonna cut little strips off, figure out what is the best wood to hold the ink. And then we are gonna cut, gotta find all my stuff. I have some really cute shapes that I like for stamps. So we're gonna cut a few of these out and make a couple of our own stamps. We are gonna cut a little strip off of each of these pieces. First, we're gonna start with this balsa wood, and we're gonna put it on an ink pad and a piece of paper and see how it does, and then we'll pick which one we want to use for our stamps. But with anything, you should always try multiple types of things. I actually wanted to go buy some rubber. Jerry had told me to get rubber sheets from Lowe's, and I was gonna go get them, but I didn't have a chance today. So I also want to try that, which I don't have, to see which would be the best for stamping. But I love the fact of the wood. I think it's gonna give it more of like a rustic look of a stamp. So we are going to cut each one of these, see which works better, and then we will go from there. All right, here we go.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will
That's
fade.
what it is.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
Should've gotten rubber. I didn't have time, but you know what? I'm a woodworker, so if I can use all wood for a project, and especially like stamps, I think. So I'm going to kind of estimate on this. I'm just going to cut this right here. And this is easy liner. It's what I use to put my patterns down. And then I am going to roll this out. And I kind of guess out there. Oops, sorry. I stab you with my contact paper. I'm just gonna kind of cut on that crease. All right. But I will, Jerry. I will go get those rubber sheets too, because I wanna try those as well. And I'm not really sure how good the basswood is going to cut as far as details go. Because I want to do some like super detailed stamps like my portraits. I think would be really awesome. But tonight we are going to stick with a few simple ones. And I have something to show you, which I'm excited about. I got it in the mail today. I get to finally use my Starbond CA glue today, which is super exciting. I won one of their contests and got I got 3 bottles. I got the medium, the thin, and the thick, and then I got the accelerator with it. So that stuff, you guys, I tried it on that first stamp. This stamp, it was like seconds. It was like that was not coming off at all. I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff's amazing. It's the little things, right? So we're gonna do a couple hearts. Do hearts. Yeah, I hate press and seal. Hate it. Okay, and then look at that cute bee. He is cute. And I also have, which I thought would be really cute, if we did a couple like birds and this really cute tulip right here.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. Did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. don't stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last, Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it.
So,
We don't need
you just need blocks. So what I'm going to end up doing on mine is I'm going to take the image again, trace it on this backside, and burn it into the top so I know what stamps I have made, and then they'll look like real stamps. But I'm going to do wood burning on all the top of mine for what the stamp is underneath. Baby Yoda stamps. I'm super excited about this, like, because I want to make a bunch of them now. So that's going to be my thing. I'm going to put a bunch of them on my website too. I think stamps will be really fun. So you can just use thicker blocks, which I would probably do because stamps are usually thicker. And then you're just gonna basically, let me see if this will fit on this one. I didn't really cut these to a certain size, so I wasn't sure if any of these that I already had would work. But this one will work for the bee. So we'll try this one for the bee. So then we're just gonna glue down our bee on there. And then I will trace the bee on the top and burn it. But let's glue it down. Are you guys in camera on that? I think you are. These are just trial stamps, so they don't need to be like perfect. Just wanna make sure I can get the size that I need. Maybe not that side. Maybe not that side. Okay. Oh, I need to take this blade out. These ones don't crush. Yeah, when I make my actual stamps, I'll like cut these actually square. I'll like make them look really nice. I'll burn. I looked at Hobby Lobby today. Stamps. I have a grip groove in the sides. Yeah, they have a groove in the sides of them. You can use a router and do it that way if you want. Or you can leave them as a block. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Obviously, these are not straight blocks, and I will take my time when I actually make the real ones, but this is trial to see what we can do with them. Okay. So, my handy dandy Starbond. Woo! This is it's the best stuff ever. I mean, I was like in shock. It's so good. Okay, so then you're just gonna take your Starbond and then just put it around the edges of here. And you don't need a lot. This stuff is like crazy. And I love these little applicator tips because you can get really fine little bits. Which is crazy. I don't know why I didn't buy Starbond a long time ago. Oh my gosh, it's like crazy. And you put your activator down. You set your piece on it. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam! It's on there. It's crazy. It's the craziest stuff ever. I was like, what is this stuff? Been missing out this whole time. I break a piece on a portrait, I have to literally just like have it sit there for overnight before I can touch and finish the portrait. This stuff is like crazy. Which I probably using way more than I even need, realistically. They got my vote. During the live, we realized that we needed something soft underneath the stamps. So I just put like a bubble envelope underneath me, and that really helps with the stamps. Thanks to Rose, that was in our chat. So right now I'm actually sanding this heart. We had tried sealing it first to see if the ink would hold better to it, and it didn't. So I'm trying to sand that off.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
All right. Done. We did it. Okay. Well, how exciting. We scrolled, saw jeans, and we made stamps. I think we're doing like out of the box this week.
With roses, I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.